Hey guys, it's me, the Tech Mate. Welcome to the video. In this video, we will be doing the unboxing of the Zenfone 5Z, and yeah, this is a flagship model from Asus India, and it retails for a price of 29,999, approximately 30,000 rupees. So let's open the box by slicing open the cover. Okay, let me go about here, and yeah, this feels like an old Apple wrapper. Let's keep that aside, and let's wiggle it, and yeah, it's out. That's what she said. Let's keep the box aside, and let's take out a cardboard box which says "We love photo." Okay, it's a camera centric phone. Let's open it. We have a SIM ejector tool and a TPU case, basic TPU case, and warranty guide stickers which no one uses. Okay, this is a basic TPU cover. Let's look this aside and keep that aside. And here is the phone itself, which is wrapped neatly in a plastic wrapper. Let's keep that aside. Let's look at what else comes inside the box. Let's open this. We have a travel adapter, which is a fast charger Qualcomm Quick Point 3.0, which measures a current output of 2 volts at 2 amps and 9 volts at also at 2 amps. It's a fast charger provided by Asus. It's a chunky little brick, and there is an international adapter, Europe adapter, because in India you need that. And here there is a USB type C cable, which is pretty good quality. And let's keep that aside. And now here is an amazing thing where we find the earphones and the ear tips. Let's keep the box to the aside, and let's open the wrapper. It feels satisfying. It feels very satisfying. Okay, let's keep that cover aside. Okay, why did it fall? I have no clue. Let's power on the device. Yeah, the shimmeriness of the back glass, it's pretty good. Let's remove the IMEI stuff aside. Here we can see that the shimmeriness and the design characteristics of Asus. As usual, it comes with a micro SD card slot and a headphone jack and a USB type C charging socket. And the phone is pretty sleek, I would say. Let's power on the device for the very first time. Okay, here we see powered by Android, Asus, and let's wait, a pretty nice Zenfone logo. Oh my god, that's pretty. Okay, here we can find the notch-like display. That's the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do subscribe, please share, like, comment, and stay techy, stay subscribed, and peace out.
The way you made me, we will not regret it. You will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you. It's just me.